So I want to talk about deep bedding. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So the chickens are in what's called a deep bedding environment, meaning their bedding is basically a compost pile, and their straw is composting while the chickens are living in there. So let me show you what I mean. This is like 4 inches of bedding, and this is going to be my soil for my garden next year. This is a technique that used to be practiced a lot, but now it's like being reintroduced. And the chickens love this bedding. They love to be around compost. And I only discovered this was the right way of doing it when I had my compost pile over here, not there, here, and I was putting all their manure and straw in this pile, and noticing when they'd get out of the coop, the first place they'd go is the compost pile to dig up and scratch up more grubs and little things to eat. And this is Scampers, and this is Joey. Her name's also Sadie, but I call her Scampers. So anyway, the deep bedding is a really actually great environment for chickens. They love it. They are happier and healthier being in that kind of environment. You can see these are really healthy birds. That's Eleanor. They all kind of decide where they want to roost at night. This is their laying area. Oops. I don't see any eggs in there right now.
I took out from Reno, I was 12 to win a house. Didn't get much sleep that night till the morning come around. Set out around about to take my time. Friend of the devil is a friend of mine. I get home before daylight, just might get some sleep tonight. Run into the devil and he loaned me 20 bills. Spent the night in Utah in a cave up in the hills. Set out around about to take my time. Friend of the devil is a friend of mine. I get home before daylight, just might get some sleep tonight.